Today we're diving into the TikTok Creativity Program and how to potentially explode your earnings. Forget the whispers and shady advice you've heard elsewhere. We're spilling the real tea on how to join the program. Even if you're not in an eligible country, buckle up because things are about to get spicy. Think of it as a gold mine for creators. It rewards you with cold, hard cash for creating high-quality, engaging content. We're talking about an average RPM of around $1 per 1,000 views. That's real money, people. First things first, you gotta meet the basic requirements. Be 18 plus years old, have at least 10,000 followers, rack up a minimum of 100K views in the last 30 days, stick to the rules, and follow TikTok's community guidelines. Don't be a hater. Now here's the juicy secret. You don't actually need to be in an eligible country to join. We're gonna use a sneaky workaround. Head over to ustiktokaccount.com and grab yourself a pre-made account, but hey, this option ain't free. Ditch your SIM card. This is to clear any location data that might be lurking. Uninstall TikTok. If you had it before, get rid of it. Download a VPN. We recommend WebScribe. It's free and works like a charm. Connect to a VPN server in the UK or France. Don't use the USA or you'll get stuck with tax issues later. Download TikTok again. Create a brand new account with your VPN masked location. Voila, you're in the program. Check your profile settings to see if the Creativity Program feature is lit up. Don't jump straight to posting. Warm up your account for 24 hours by watching videos, liking and commenting, then unleash your creative magic and start uploading. Remember, consistency is key. Keep pumping out high-quality content and those sweet TikTok earnings will start rolling in.